Start saying we when you talk about him. Say we, even though you're not a couple, even though you'll probably, you know, not be with that guy for real. Okay? Another way is to become very successful. Like start your own business, start your own online, whatever, YouTube. Just do something that's really about yourself and that you could care less what he's doing because you're so super busy making money, you know, getting the things that you want or whatever, you know, you got a raise, you start your business, you're about yourself now. So totally get into yourself, makeover, you know, look like a whole improved version of yourself so that when he sees you or when he's, you know, sees your pictures and things on social media and things that you're doing, he's impressed. Are you doing all of this for my attention so that I want you back? I'm happy. Oh my God, do you see all the things that are going on in my life?